Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can make a business letter in Microsoft Word. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank document. Now once you're in this window, you need to look at the ribbon at the top and you will find all these tabs. Simply click on the File tab. On the right pane, you have this option More Templates, but make sure that you are connected to an internet connection. You can't go on with this process if you are not connected to any internet connection, okay? So click on More Templates. You'll find this search bar, search for online templates. Click on that and type business letter. Click on the search icon. And you'll find different templates from here, but you need to simply choose your template that you want. So let me just choose this one, the second one. And I'm just going to click on this create. And then we can now simply edit this one from here, okay? So you can place your logo in here. Just have to simply click on that. And then you can also for the address from here, for the date, for the receiver of the message, and for or the letter, receiver of the letter, and then your sender, the signature of the sender. So it's not that you are going to copy this letter, it's just a template, okay? It's just a template that you can use as a guide or reference, or as a design already for your letter that you are going to make, okay? You can also go on to more templates again and then choose business letter and look for more templates that you like. So let me have this one. Click on create. And here, okay, so you have the same this one. You have to write the company name, the address, the phone number, and the email, name of the recipient, and the year or the name of the recipient, the date from here, and of course the signature of the sender, your name and signature. Okay, so just have to edit it by clicking on that particular part of your letter. And then if you want to save it, just simply click on this save icon. And then you'll find the file name. You can simply change the file name and then choose a location from here. So it's up to you, and click on save. And that's it. That's how you can easily create a business letter on your Microsoft Word, okay? So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.